Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing my name is Nur Aliza Riyatianti from the Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta 2021. On this occasion, I will present my research proposal entitled The Influence of Digital Literacy, Motivation, and Self-Efficacy on the Work Readiness of Students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Preparing qualified graduates is an important role of vocational high school. The 2020 and 2024 curriculum state that SMK school produce graduates who are ready to enter the world of work, can work in company, be employed, or can become entrepreneurs. From the result of research that I have conducted with 17 students from grade 11 and grade 12 Office Management SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta regarding student work readiness. It showed that as many as 6 out of 17 students answered yes on the ground that they want to learn to develop in a dynamic environment and want to achieve success for the future. 10 students out of 17 were hesitant to enter the world of work for several reasons, one of which was because they had little control about how to the work environment was different for life at school and so on. And one of 17 students answered no because they were still not ready to enter the world of work and still want to play with school friends. According to Azaki, in their research, they reports that work readiness can be influenced by several factors, namely self-efficacy, motivation to enter the world of work, and social support. Meanwhile, according to Rosa, the factor of work readiness are motivation, personality, skill, knowledge about the work of work, guidance from parents, and so on. In addition to the factor already mentioned, the world of work at this time really needs digital literacy. And from the result of research that has been conducted by researchers, it showed that the factor that most influence student majoring in office management. The highest category are digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy. So, with the result of the pre-research, researchers use the variable of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy. Problem formula. First, is there an effect of digital literacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Second, is there an influence of motivation on work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Third, is there an effect of self-efficacy on work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? And the fourth, is there an influence of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Research objective. First, this research aims to determine the effect of digital literacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Second, this research aims to determine the effect of motivation on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. The third, this research aims to determine the effect of self-efficacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. And the fourth, this research aims to determine the effect of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Research benefit. First, for researchers. This research is useful for increasing research understanding of the topic of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on work readiness. Besides that, the research in the study can also add to the experience and insight of researchers in writing scientific papers. Second, for Jakarta State University. The result of this study can be used by educational institutions as an additional source of literature and also as additional reference for other researchers studying the topic of digital literacy, motivation, self-efficacy, and work readiness. Third, for readers, it is hoped that the result of this study can provide knowledge and increase insight into digital literacy, motivation, self-efficacy, and work readiness for students. Supporting theory, work readiness. Work readiness can be defined as how ready someone is to enter the world of work. Someone who is ready to work means that he can practice activity in the world of work. Kalau baru and worker, the term work readiness describes how graduates perceive behavior and attributes acquired can support in success in the workplace. Digital literacy. Digital literacy is an ability to use computer technology that is needed by students or the wider community. According to UNESCO, digital literacy is a skill that not only involves the ability to use ICT device, but also the ability to socialize, have an attitude, think critically, creatively, and inspire as digital competence. Motivation. Motivation is the desire within a person to be able to do something according to their needs. According to motivation is an encouragement contained in a person to try to make change in behavior that are better in meeting their needs. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is a belief in himself to be able to carry out a job so as to produce a certain goal. According to Bandura, defines self-efficacy as an individual belief in his ability to perform action to achieve certain result or goals. Pre-research result. 1. The effect of digital literacy on student job readiness. Juliana Putri and Supriyansa, Panjaitan and Purnama et al. Reports that digital literacy has a significant influence on work readiness. Students with a high level of digital literacy, they will be better prepared to enter the workforce. Second, the effect of motivation on student job readiness. Pambajeng, Rahmadani, dan Nurjana reports that motivation has a significant influence of work readiness. Work motivation is in entering the work of work can affect the amount of effort from within students to be accepted into the work of work. Third, the effect of self-efficacy on student job readiness. Enough and India reports that self-efficacy has a significant influence on work readiness. High self-efficacy will make them more prepared to face the work of work. And the fourth, the influence of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on job readiness. Odiarte et al. Reports that digital literacy, self-efficacy, and motivation have a positive and significant influence on work readiness. But Adelia et al. Reports that digital literacy, self-efficacy has an effect on work readiness, but motivation has no effect on work readiness. Results from work. Digital literacy affect work readiness, motivation, affect work readiness, and self-efficacy affect work readiness. And digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy affect work readiness. Time research. This research began in early October 2024 and continued until July 2025. This research was conducted at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. The study used a quantitative approach with a survey research design. The population in this study was 11 grad students from various departments at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Determination of the number of samples in this study using the Taro-Yamane formula. The data used in this study utilized results from survey, questionnaire, and short interview. The data collected through the questionnaire will be analyzed using the multiple linear regression method. Data processing in this study was carried out using SPSS software version 31. This data is valid because the item because R calculate is greater than R table. The data is well distributed and can be used for further analysis because the mean value is higher than the standard definition. And this data is reliable because Cronbach alpha value is greater 0.6. This data, the variables are considered to have a significant influence together because a sig value in this data less 0.05. The independent variable has a significant effect on the dependent variable because value a sig value of less 0.05. Okay. In model summary, the determination value in this data is 0.831, which indicate a strong positive relationship between the dependent variable and the dependent variable. The result of the multiple linear regression test obtained show that digital literacy has a significant value of 0.001 and the value of negative 18.089. Meanwhile, the t-test value or partial for the digital literacy variable has a t-value of negative 18.089 and a significant value of 0.001. The result of the multiple linear regression test in the motivation variable had a significant value of 0.001 and a t-value of 3.1604. The t-test value in the motivation variable had a t-value of 3.1604. And a significant value of 0.001. The result of the multiple linear regression test in the self-efficacy variable had a significant value of 0.001 and t-value of 0.706. The t-test value in the self-efficacy variable had a t-value of x decimal 1690 and a significant value of 0.001. The simultaneous coefficient test value obtained from the test result show a value of 0.001, proving that the variable of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy have a significant effect on work readiness. The X-squared test result in this study have a value of 0.1690. Conclusion. There is a negative and significant influence between digital literacy and work readiness with a significant value of 0.001 and p-value of negative 18.089. Therefore, the hypothesis is accepted. There is a positive and significant influence between motivation and work readiness with a significant value of 0.001. Therefore, the hypothesis is accepted. There is a positive and significant influence between self-efficacy and work readiness with a significant value of 0.001. So, the hypothesis is accepted. There is a simultaneous or joint influence between digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on work readiness with a significant value of 0.001. So, the hypothesis is accepted. Okay, thank you very much.